It's Christmas time. Otis, open your gift. Otis has a Christmas gift. What is it, Otis?
Get it open.
He's having a hard time with that. What is it? Open it up. He's opening it. Otis is opening his own gift. Go ahead. Open it up.
Go get it.
Go get it, Otis. He's tearing it open. Good boy. Otis is opening his own Christmas gift. Holy shit, he's really moving around. This is by my computer chair. He's almost got it open. What is it, Otis?
What is it?
Here.
Go get it.
Here.
Go get it.
Here, Otis.
What is it?
What is it?
It's not very satisfying, you said.
He's having a fit. Good boy. What is it? Wonder what it is. What do you got, Otis? Open your gift.
Get it. Come on. Oh, you got it open. What is it? What is it?
He opened his gift.
He did. He opened
Oh, he's got a new stuffed toy. Look.
Look at that.
Good dog.
That. What's it?
What is it, Otis? Can I see it? Let's take a look. What is it, bud? Oh, look at that. It's a
Pheasant.
pheasant. Here, Otis. Oh, what a good boy. He got his Christmas gift.
But that's not a biscuit. Where's the biscuit?
He got it open.
He got it open. Where's the biscuit? That's what he wants. Where the hell's the biscuit?
What is it, Otis? It's a rope pheasant with honker from the American Kennel Club.
There's the rope.
What a nice gift.
It's the rope neck.
Okay, Otis. Give Otis his pheasant. What a nice toy for Otis.
Otis.
What is it, Otis? Otis, you want your pheasant? What? You want it? Well, you like it now. You like that?